Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to live video from uh, OBS Studio to Facebook profile or Facebook pages. Okay. First step, you need to have OBS Studio. This one. Okay, you see. If you don't have it, I will share you how to download from internet and install in your PC. Okay, let's turn it on together. Wait until it run. Okay, when it's already run, you will see the screen, and then what you have to do is go to the setting. You see at the right side bottom, at the bottom of right side, you will see the word setting. You click on the word setting, you will see one more browser like this one, and then you go to the steam, the word steam like this one. Okay, and then you need to open your page, okay, to get a steam key. Okay, now let's go to the page. Okay, I wait my internet a little bit slow, wait until it run. Okay, now it's run already, and I'm go to my page. Okay, now I'm going to lie on my page, this one, Camcar 189. Okay, I click on my page. Okay, wait a little bit. Okay, after that you can you go to the word live here. Okay, live, you click on live. Okay, and then you see at the left side you see the word go live. Okay, go live, so you just click on the word next. Okay, after that wait a little bit. Okay, you will see this the stream setup. So you live stream with the stream key. You click on stream key because you have three options: use camera, use peer encoder, but this one is use stream key. You click on stream key and you scroll a little bit, you will see the stream key like this one. Okay, see, stream key, and then you click on the word copy. Okay, after you copy it already, you back to your OBS Studio. Okay, and then you have to pass your stream key here. Okay, this one I delete it again and do it again. Okay, I click you pass it here in stream key here, yeah, and pass it. After that you click the word apply at the bottom here. You see the word apply. Okay, after that you click the word video. You see right below the stream key. Okay, you see the word video, so you click on the word video, and then you can edit the solution. If your internet is fast enough, you can make it big, but here you see only three choices. You can choose any solution that best to your internet. Make sure that not too big. And here I'll put a solution, so HD or something. Okay, I put HD here. Okay, because I think my internet is enough to run this one. Or if you don't guarantee that your internet is very strong enough, you can click on the lowest one. Okay, the lowest one is not too bad. Okay, but I choose this one. Okay, and then you click the word apply and okay. Okay, now you prepare already. And then what you have to do next is to add the source, add a video in here. okay, to live. So to add the source, you see the word source on the bottom here, you see the word source, and you click on the plus sign here, plus sign. Okay, and after you click it, you will find the word media source. See, media source. You click on it, and then you create new. See the word create new, and you click on yes. Okay, sorry. Click on word okay, and then you will see this browser, and go to the word browse. This one. Okay, this one. Browse, and then you can go to the location that you keep your video. Where is your video? Okay, for me, I go to my video, I put it in download here and video here. Okay, and then you select file that you video that you want to play, you want to live, which one that you want to do. Okay, this one I like to this one, Three Kingdom. Okay, and click open. Okay, after that you click OK. Okay, you see this come already, and then you can edit the solution here. I mean the scale here. You want it to be full screen or half screen or whatever you want. Okay, after that you can click the word start streaming. Okay, start streaming, and then you can back to your page. Back to your page, you will see here is your page. You will see the video here, but it's not live yet. Okay, and you can click on the left side. You will see the word next. Okay, you can click on the word next. Here you need to write the title. Okay, I see. I write a title for this video. Okay, after you write down the title and the description, you can scroll down a little bit. You will see the word cross post to page. It means that you can post this video in many other page. Okay, now I'm click on it. Okay, then you can choose any page that you want to post the video. Let's click on three pages that I want to stream, 3 or 4. Okay, like this one. And okay, 4 pages that I want to stream on. Okay, then click the word save. Okay, after that you can share to the group also. You can click on share. Okay, if you want to share, but it's okay if you don't want to share, up to you. Here I can click on any page, any group that I want to share to, but I want to share all to the group, all this group. Yeah, so I click all. Okay, because of my internet is a little bit slow, and then I click on the word save. Done right now. And after that, one more step, you need to click on the word next. Okay, next here, and then you will see the word go live, but it's not live right now. But make sure that on OBS start from the beginning. Okay, start from the beginning. I can stop here, here, and then I will play it when it's go live on Facebook. This one. Okay, because my internet, like I said, my internet is a little bit slow. That's why it's not work smoothly. Okay, anyway, you can click on the word go live, and then it will run. Now you see the word starting. Okay, wait a little bit. Now you see the word and go live here. Mean time is run already. On page it's work right now. Okay, and then you click back to this one, and then you click play. Okay, now your line is go. You can go to the see your page in your page. Because of my internet a little bit slow, you can try it at your home, at your place. It's okay if you follow my guideline step by step. You will success, I'm sure 100%. Okay, except your internet slow like mine. Okay, I think that is enough for this video. Thank you so much everyone for your watching, and hope you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask. Goodbye.